Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding concepts of statistics in just 2 minutes. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to talk about the concept of sample. A sample is a subset of population selected for analysis to draw conclusions about the entire population. So sampling makes data collection and analysis more feasible and cost effective, especially for large populations. So samples are used to estimate population parameters, test hypotheses, and make inferences about the population. Let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose you want to conduct a survey, campus satisfaction survey for the entire university. Now it is not feasible to collect the data from each and every student of the university. So rather than collecting the data from all students, suppose we are collecting the data of 200 students. So now this set of 200 students becomes the sample for us, and we are going to analyze this sample to make inferences about the population. So here in this case, rather than analyzing the entire population, we collect the sample. So sample is a subset of the population. Now collection of sample or sampling method requires the scientific procedure that we will discuss in the upcoming videos. So that is the idea of sample. If you like it, share it.